Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I am going to take English Literature class for class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 11 Reading Done. Today's lecture number 10 and homework number 10 will be given today. So let's look at the story we are going to read today. This is Unit 11 of your Buzzword book. The title of the story is Friends of the Rainforest. So what is a rainforest? Do you know? Rainforests are some of the warmest, wettest places in the world. They receive heavy rain and are rich in plant and animal life. So let's see what friends of the rainforest we are going to discuss in our today's story. See this picture? You can see this is the bird, right? So let's start reading and see what bird it is. As we walk through the magical rainforest, bird calls fill the air. There are hundreds of birds to be found here, but we are looking for a special group of friends, the hornbills. So this bird is called a hornbill. We wait for them beside the fig tree. We hear they are always on time. As they come, they sound like the roar of a small airplane. Hornbills do not have a lining of feathers under their wings like other birds. So when they fly, the wind rushes through their wings with a loud whoosh. As they land, there is a lot of croaking and barking. So they don't have a lining of feather under their wings, so they make loud noises like croaking and barking when they land. There are 54 different types of hornbills in the world. Most of these live in rainforests. They are large and colorful. The great Indian hornbill has a golden yellow beak and a helmet on top of its black face. Let's look at the picture. You can see the colors and the helmet at the top of his head. You can see the beak is golden yellow. The face is also black. Soft white feathers decorate the neck and wingtips. A black band on a white tail completes its outfit. Males and females look alike. So males and females look same. But females are usually smaller with white eyes, while the male's eyes are bright red. So the size and eyes color is different for males and females. All hornbills have throat pouches in which they carry fruit. This way, they do not have to make several trips to collect food. So they have a pouch in their throat where they can collect their food. Hornbills stay with one partner for their whole life. They do not usually build nests, but find holes in trees and build nurseries in them. Nurseries are places where babies are taken care of. Mother hornbills shut themselves in these holes to lay eggs and keep their babies safe. Father hornbills fly around and bring food for their family. At other times, hornbills make their beds on the top branches of tall trees. Up to 6 birds often huddle together on one branch like a happy family. So they don't usually make nests, but they make beds on top branches of tall trees where up to 6 birds can stay together like a happy family. Let's look at the next page. Hornbills are extremely clever and always pick lone trees at the edge of forests. From there, they can spot danger and can escape if a hunter comes along. At dawn, they fly off again to feed inside the forest. So they're very clever and they find spots where they will be safe from danger and can escape easily from hunters if needed. Crunching and munching with glee, they gobble their favorite food, figs. So their favorite food is figs and they happily munch on them. Besides fruit, hornbills also feed on smaller reptiles and eggs from other birds' nests. Hornbills swallow their fruit whole, digesting the fleshy part in their stomach and spitting out the seeds through their beak. So They eat the fruits whole and they digest the fleshy parts in their stomach and spit out the seeds. We can easily spot a hornbill's nesting tree by the pile of seeds under it. So, we can easily find the nest by spotting the seeds under the tree. Here in the picture you can see a hornbill eating fruits. And here you can see that seeds are fallen in the ground and rats are eating the seeds. Let's read here. For many rats who come looking for food at night, these seeds are a treat. This tells us how plants and animals in the rainforest depend on each other for food. Nothing in the rainforest is ever wasted, so nothing is wasted. The hornbill eats the fruit from the tree, then the rats eat the seeds that they throw. Almost everything that falls in the ground is used. Hornbills are the natural farmers of the forest. They travel long distances, moving from one fruit tree to the next. As they fly, they leave seeds and droppings all over the place. They help the trees in this way. They spread seeds across the forest, allowing new plants to grow. So as they fly long distances and they take the seeds with them, they are called natural farmers. Let's look at the next page. So the trees look forward to their visits. Hornbills also need these trees to live and feed on. Sadly, these are the same trees that were cut down to create space for human homes and fields. So the trees depend on hornbills for reproduction and hornbills depend on the trees to feed themselves. But these are cut down nowadays to make space for humans. With rainforests dying out, hornbills feel really threatened. Many hornbills are also killed for their beautiful beaks and feathers or are trapped to be kept as pets. With such growing problems, hornbills are already an endangered species. So because of cutting down trees and because people catch them to keep pets or people take their beaks and feathers, they are endangered now. They are in danger. They are dying out. They are becoming extinct. We must act now to stop hornbills and rainforests from disappearing forever. So these actions must be stopped if we want to save the hornbills and also keep the rainforests intact. Okay dear students, this was the story. Your homework will be making 5 true false and 5 fill in the blanks from this story. Okay dear students, please read the story again at home and do the homework carefully and submit it in due time on Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.